awerɛhoɔ no sɛ mfie wɔ ha ne akyirɛ nananom tie kurom yɛbu yɛ man me ne kɔmfoɔ hyehyɛ maa yɛn na broni tumi baa ha sɛ ɔno wɔ bɛfa man yɛ sɛbeɛ so no nananom na kyekyɛ asanteman saa berɛ mfie wɔ ha ne akyirɛ baeɛ me nana prɛmpɛ aborɔfo ba bɛkyerɛ no yɛyɛ ne saa sɛdeɛ nka asanteman kra ɛbɛyera o se ɛno ɛfiri nana deɛ so ɛkɔɔyɛ na aborɔfo yi saa bɛɛ bio sɛ yɛhunu si yɛfa nana kɔɔ yɛfa nneɛma ɛkɔɔyɛ nyinaa asanteman ɛngu no nti deɛ wɔ hɔ ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ afei deɛ sikadwa ne yɛde ba ma afei deɛ yɛhunu sɛ ampa sɛ yɛabrɛ asanteman ase kora ɛno ne kɔfa yɛ asantewa asɛm baa sɛ daabi la ɛka sɛ yɛkyena hɔ ama nnɛ wabɛfa nana kɔ na fei deɛ asanteman kra yɛmfa ma adeɛ eni enye nyina ye behye
ma wasante ho nyaw wo ye santeni ba wo ye Ghana ni wo ye santeni ba wo fura santemem nko a ma wasante ho nsem hye de enyaw ma eboro ho nsem nyaw wo ye boro ni ba ma boro ho nsem nyaw wo ye anwonani ma wo anwonasem ho nyaw wo ye mfanteni ma mfante nsem ho nyaw wo ye ga mankan nsem ho nyaw cause ye nyina ba ko prayo yi ba ko egu wo ka wo ma emu o me nka wo nye ba ko ye ma Ghana enye ye ma asante enye ye ma boro ye ma Volta region ye ma Greater Accra. Ebusia edini yesay eno so TVGH edini yeso TVGH unya subscribe channel subscribe no like no comment no share ama foforo so nya bia ede ahwe osonfo kwaku Alaska ba ko pamia na meni me mhia no mhima pakan mo no ene so ye wanfa ye comment share kurowura kaze kurowa ye wan crop ya sante kotoko otumfo ose tutu ababio e otoso mienu ode nsem bia tudwa na nye na asem nsem no sebe ekwanimu kakra abusua die nti me pese wo hwe foni wo hwe video we na wo tie asante ase na wo te ne mabia ase no ene se enkofo sori a asante enkofo sori a asante ena asante ye tribalism asante ye sei asante ye sei woni mu konkodi asante akon age asante so abesim bebenso yewe eko asante akonya konketo awo saa kon na asante akon yen se bi na adan kronkro bi kokon bi se na adom ahene mo kon ya saa me nkomu nyina awu komu nyina ase hye enso asante ase anhye asante gina asante ayemfu gina de omu tejeji akirema de si o ma asante man enti asante a enye ni baba akofo na fight wa asante mu ahemfu kudam na ya asante a osori gina ye wo koma asante ana obri yebu amo mo sori gina omo koma asante na se tutu ye odi nkan osori gina okoma asante na opoku ware mo to so mo ho nyina mo sori gina de koma asante enti asante no sebe ahemfo wukudam atitirefo na koma asante man ena asante abeduru pembeso asante boyi enti so wohiri bi sori gina baabi no otori mane asante kan se bi fa asante wan behwe di ka obekosem na nkan ye de na okura bi ko wunimi abakosem so what you say obekosem ko asante abre pa asante abre ne bedu pembeso ye wei hwe se obenso se kosimuroni sisa niema free akodie free aborochimam ba se woni asante bedi akon abaji asante agudie abasisa asante je pade nya de akọ aborochimam obeduru ye no yenya ye nuano fo bi yenya Ghana fo yi binum mo ho mo koso ye Cape Coast mo nyina koye ba akọ eboaboa doman so ni asante be kontokwa asante ampabo asante so bua ne ho sikadwa bua ne ho obiri konfo bua no ho e kire amamre kire kwankire ma ye sante yeye e de ko hia wo mo e ma nkunibie ba ma asante o ma ntrefo o mo kosa ba bio enti sa asante ya ade a na efa enye bibia wo e kodi asante akon wo man mu no enye ko ketwa e ko asante akon nya ko ketwa busua enti so de to de bi mi so wo hine bi jira bi ranche wo hine bi kasa kasa na kokoduro so wo kasa trete tete woni ma wo tumi kasa na no ban tumi kasa wo te otumfo woni na wo se to no wakono ko wie na se tu ono wakono ko wie ya wakwasan ba na ade ye woni de no oje a wo se won ntime nje wo de no wo de sikadwa na woni tumi wo to a wo to no woni sikadwa wo tumi wona wo to wo na do anyen na wo to na wadawro mo me kase na no tie ofa cheme anu be se be tia wo woni sikadwa wo na wo tumi ya wo yiri bia ma na wo so a se bi ko bia ma na wo so na wo to bom di ko bia ma na wo so na wo kan se ma di kwa so ka cha sante munim tokwa ko eko asante ako eko asante ako na ya sante woni tokwa ko ye na oburi ye bo munim tokwa mo ko ye wona di on tinji a kire mo munim tokwa mo ko ye ansa asante be asante nti wa woni ma asante ba ko sem no woni asante an ansem no men kabi emrante mo wona wona munim asante wo hwe mo nkabi na asante abre asante akonkode ansa na asante be do men so waduri asante fit nyesa asante fit nya no be asante o asanteman fiti nyese ofiti ya waya asanteman wakonkode wa fight abrofo wa fight ya before no mo sorry tie mu nyina fight wo mo na nye doma ahinkuru na nye doma ahene na obesa beba sa obe fight asante na onda asante ba fom wo ye de nye yie empanimfo bi ba be hihye ne bi eti last 3 years to 4 years empanimfo bi e se nkofo ti e de sorry tie asante ekosi sei omaye timi nkofu bebre hypocrite bebre sorry tia sante underground mboza mo twa yin mafo so enye yie na nya kire ye kina abosom ne suo ni nananom esomanfo nyina ta asante achi asante ayemfo asante nso na asante boso mo na ayo sikadwa kofi wona aye sikadwa na aye obiri konfo wudie enso woni sunsun ta so tiase obiri konfo ko sunsun ta so tiase asante ma na gene ba asante ma mu ebe na ase tuko hu se bi wo ahoyehia mu no oyini de ne ba santime be gine men metra santime mu tonso wo nya dipa boni aye wo nka ye nto kai ne asante na ase tuye ma no wo sha asante ni munyam wo sha asante ni munyam enti sa santime ne da onye prakeke za mu hu ni sakeke no enti moto wa mo amokasa mo amokansam ensem wo munyim ensem wa matete ensem wa wunim na wo kabi na wo to ensem na wo di opinso atem na wo di asantema atem no masa monye careful na de mewa moso no enye ni die ba no anu odene sikadwa strike oso a unye ni pa bio ubewu nti ye careful na study abusen kasa yen kasa nkwa kire otumfu asante hene ko bia asante kwatokode ensem bia tudwa efa asantema ho asantema japade ye wo ho emra akosi kokko friend kuro ba se wonye be ko abaje japade no eniema asantema sori ye eniema asantema sori gina na sori ye wo dia tudwa na busua ye ntere ho ye nkode nko tie opemso ni mu nsemmra na ye ba beto aso jama ho
ene dai
yo
ko ya revo na so asa ko ye ni jida
yo ziru tumbo sel o se ne dai ko ya revo asa ko ye ni jida
reho ne se fie wo ha ne akire ni nananom tie kromo ye bu ye man me ne konfo hihye ma yen na broni timi ba ha so no wo be fa man yafa sabe so na nananom na chicha santiman
sabe so na nananom na chicha santiman
ya manie ni amamre
amamre
ya ni amanfo ye tima ha se
ala amanfo ye tima ha se
sabre mfie wo ha ne akire ni ba ya me nana prempe abro ba ba kire no
sabre mfie wo ha ne akire ni ya se nana prempe abro ba ba kire no
ya ne sasa de nka santima kra ebayira o se eno efri nana de so ekoye na abrofo isa ba bio se ehunu se ye fa nana ko ye fa enema ekoye nyina santima enwu nunti de wo ho ne se e wo sa afa de sikadwa ne de ba ma afa de ehunu se ampase ya bre asantima ya sekra eno ne kofa ya santua asemba se debila e kasi ye tira ho ama ne wa be fa nanako na fedi asantima kra ye mfa ma ya ene enye nyina ye be hye ade di kan ene ne de ye ni ma ye ka ho asem yi ene Lord bid in power And 1895. Abrofo de ne baye o tramfante ho boa nipa no. Odi benfie abosome be miensa o de boa nipa no o de beba santimem abekun ha. Wo di dru ha 1896. O de ba heya. Asemasi niema na ejina ha ye kan. Ene ekoya asaba. Ye wie ko ya no o de niema ko ma na yire. Man the great woman di Kogu Hampton Court Palace wa Richmond 1953 Richard my neighbor bisiso Sabrina Lady Baden Powell when you were baba to no yet girl guides a dear friend of Dorothy Wilkinson no din komo for him the coronation said you music can wa Richard Put some from way by our walkers. And near me, I may yes, you win in a rat. Mikuno or poor Kunwa Santin or the bar. Now, who Ghana, who African member, we is Sanya, Messadia, Wako, Nadia, Coma Santin. Saturday, me offer. Now, my friend will toss me. On a note, you very handsome the Bako. Yamincha the Bako. Santiment would do crime. Lord and Clark, Governor General, one and never. Obona Manessa, dear lady, but may be in power lane. Upsan said, we are then adding made to me Bahasi. Who can't customs for was a man car. Senior son, I be cook master no this enemy mammy. ADC to say soldier penny ADC in Mokamo. Son waiting their course. Near man mood do. And none I buy ya. The two of our heart. Over two no of our senior just all train my friend and I'm winning I as and major padia. The Sabra crazy and I'm a dear branche. Can be swap. And son, and a friend and I'm more. My dear to ya. A chain yesterday, so the force hard said, if I could see mine. And I should have formed him for a sabre near or near of you away. You could see you, massive force, I say. And then Edward so said, I should have formed him for a dinner. Sanya me kugu ho so je soja ni pan kan yi say free sabre de ko ni Ghana commercial and fear do no any ekye ni mi apanyi kugu arba ye pre ho asem ba ya e ka say ho atechima kakra wo fort 1987 May otu ho na mo kakra e de ko abaya no wo so say ke fi ade mai Amaka. The buy nam sa me to aso nam se David message hu tuma media me na no media padia nam ye stress ye information e pem so wa buy ko ye no amaka ena ene ye wa he edru se asoja fo mpanyimfo ye ne ye krata atwo ene ho nsam kan ne mu nchechemu ma yeti asia ene nyame adaroma yedru ha se yede ye japade ebre sebe so ya ne ya ne dia broni na befa ko ye ene asade aba ana me ba ya me she bo me se me de no kra be dia santimen ni mi bibiara aka ba bia mekoma gima de
Ebusiafo ka ko ejiri kwaku anum nya subscribe channel subscribe no like no comment no share am afoforo so nya bia de ahwe nya subscribe channel me subscribe see ne share comment like ne ma afoforo so nya bia de ahwe what opem so nsem na o kan no de to woni mu what nsem no sebi akwasi broni be fa ye japade ni bi de ko amonone abrochimamu UK bi ko di US ni ade nyina na emra oba ye no obetena so no or request ni me nyina se waba wo hia ne bibia kwasi broni de ntokwa be fa free wo hia na ade president e no wote so wantimi am fight ama no ono adwedwedwe mu a na oye na ade a ene mre pamu mo te ase so mo de ni ma be maye so what ase because ejapade ne eye dia eya santeman dia santeman so ye wo kuro be so ye ni Togo ye Ghana ti Ghana ejapade bia be di obi a ye je santeman ye je ade omo ampuso muti so what ase enti asante ya kontokwaden ya kokoden ya kokon emu oden ane be du be menso aye we enti enye se ye fiti ne be ya asante enye asante fiti ne be ya asante o tebusuafo mo amote wono mo na mo kan nsem obi enesi ko no be nya afo a na watwefo ase no wo kan nsem a wonim je wonim ya no wo ka enem a wonim na wo ka obi twantro ka kire wo twantro tutum pe no betra radio so obetra TV so obetra social media na wo TikTok na wo social media YouTube na wo kan nsem ni kwa so ka asante abre isa wo kasa no kasa yi because asante eya asante asante ye oman asante eye oman asante eye oman unti ase kura beti ase ene ye kan bi no unti ase ye no asante ye oman o asante ye oman kwa me nkroma ne ma asante man e ka bo ni Ghana ka bo mu ye baako ka asante ke ye die ho ka ye die ho ti to da bia munsusu yesu ye nipa moja na wo bia na wo mu mumye no de ye wo na munsusu nta asante na asante ni obi aduane asante ni obi ayire no asante nkofa obi asase ka se media de wo no ye ne dia no obeje ade bia e wo asante mabu bia asante de biara emira na ase tu ekoje ye bia no wakwa asaba no obeje na de upompo ebeje sentiri asase bo wuram no ye gwawura goro ma bibia ye de ebeje wa wonti ase no yutie pia ba piebre abusiafo mo so mfu kwakwa laska nie men kasa kese o kasa kese asabi o be cancel me kwa so de wo kan ai se na mdika aka unya subscribe channel wa subscribe no like no comment no share ma furo so nya bia de ahwe abusiafo he be pese ye nkone ye nkotie President John Dramani Mahama enu nsem bia wode atudwa efa asante hene ho wona emu asante man no mu asante hene no muntie nsem ni bi o masom wona mu asante hene mu asante man no nkotie nsem wasum emra Ghana kwa ohiyem ehiamwa ehia sika free IMF so otumfo memu anka mo nsa anka sika no da sika mo kwaje mo de ba asante man oni ba woni nyina de gu otumfo ahemfie o so oni mfanya Ghana yi ana enso wona fight ye ofa mo ba fo frɛ eye ko keke se me kro me man hiamwa te mo wa no ma me omunji tumu boa no adentina president na mu ko ye fi ni ye mwa no ye mfi no ye pamo no Mahama akasa asem no Rollins akasa asem no akufo kasa asem no president biara e sha se fi 2005 bia Rollins o peso gba nyina o nyina kan se otumfo ena boa wo mo nya aska free IMF hepek ba ya akufo de peke ba enyi wono otumfo na be mu anka hepek sika ko enya free IMF amepoa enso bia man su bia sebe kwa champagne bia man su bia na sebe mprebiasa na okaseti otumfo okaseti opnso enso wonnim di opnso ya mo my Ghana wonye ma santeman wo ye mo my Ghana eso do ma na do ma hene so eso do ma hinkuro so eso enkuronkuro akasuma hene so so mo amose mo tipa na otumfo na so so mo amose mo tipa na otumfo na so so bi enya santeman ko a ile kwa sanka seska wo ba santeman nyen ko fanya santeman nyen eye mo amosore mo sa atwa mo twa mo na mo tensinta vi na mo di asante na tem ene won develop kumase won fa sebi progress won nya na wose ene fa develop kumase sikara kwaje ba na won ko de bi ye wono ebe si ni nsebe odi ye e ba ma Ghana ama sebi wono ko ama santeman inti sebe mo mpanimfo na manyinyiri na mo ka asem bia mo tusu nka mo tusu na mo kasa mo fa 7 period nyansa to ho na mo nka na asanteman asante yin ni ya ye obi ama no so odi asante na tawa dai adentia wo kro na woto wo na wo de odi kro wo ye di kro na woto kro mkrampo no 7 brothers o obi e di watam obi e kasa ode na obi kro mu emfa pro mu se ye kro mu yi mo yi tax brano mo jini ma brano Muntie President Mahama muntie ne nsem okan ye edefa eye otumfo asante nyino emre mo ko IMF ko pebosia o mo anya ade otumfo mo ode boae.
International investors, I mean, they didn't believe that we had the discipline to be able to do it, and so we tried to convince them, but they wouldn't budge, and so eventually realized that, I mean, if we were to get credibility behind the program, then we needed to go to the IMF. They wanted to see us under the schoolmaster before they believed that we could implement the program. Now we started talking to the IMF, and they were stalling the program and extending the discussions, negotiations. I mean, after a finished meeting, it says, okay, and then they give you another day to meet about a month away. Meanwhile, it was critical to get this program locked in as quickly as possible. So one day, one of my frustrations, I was in Kumasi and I went to see him. And he asked me how things were going. And then I explained to him what was going on, you know. And then I remembered that, you know, he had quite some good friends in high places, you know. So I said, can you intervene in this thing? I know Jim Wilson is your friend. Can you know, get him to speed up these negotiations for a program for us? And he readily accepted. And because of that request, he got ready. He called Jim Wilson. He took a flight. He flew, met him. They went together to Washington. And Jim Wilson took him to, at that time, the IMF director was Madame Lagarde. Yeah. And they went and saw her. And after the meeting, in a short space of time, things changed. And then suddenly, we had the extended credit facility, the ECF. And that is the program that turned the economy around, you know, because I'm proud that under that program, in 2016, you know, almost for the first time in our history, we did zero central bank financing of the budget. We didn't take one single cedi, you know, from the central bank, you know, and then we handed over, you know, to the new administration. So as for Otumfuo, I mean, I could say so many things about him. I mean, of course, you've talked about the Dapong thing. He was the prime mover in terms of settling that crisis. And that is because of the historical links that the stool he sits on has with those traditional authorities.
To promote the various national development agenda, starting with the John Agyekum Kufuor administration to the current administration of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. These include the HIPIC initiative.
If Otumfuo had not been there in Washington at that time to influence his friend to work on IMF, I don't know what would have become of Ghana's budget. And people may not know. But for that HIPIC success, I tell you, perhaps the economy of Ghana today might not be the same. We wouldn't have made the headway. We moved from, if you would remember, the lows of something like 400 US dollars per capita, 2001, 2002 and thereabouts. By 2006, Ghana hit per capita GDP of $1,300. That was what moved Ghana from the doldrums to middle income.
Otumfuo has been on the throne for a few decades, and during that period he has proved to be not only a traditional ruler, that is a leader of his people, but also he's proved to be a national icon and one who comes in, you know, sometimes when we have crisis.
Facilitation of IMF support for the Ghanaian economy.
We had to go to the IMF, but you don't just walk into the IMF like that. And we needed to do that fast. And so even though we had written to the IMF, they were taking their time to set up a mission and all that, and come and do a pre-assessment and all that. Meanwhile, we needed this to happen fast, you know, so that the economy could start to come out of the hole in which it was. And so I discussed it with Otumfuo. One of the times I went to Kumasi and I discussed with him and I said, look, we decided to go to the IMF, but the IMF are dragging their feet and it's taking too long for them to make a decision. But I know you have contacts, you know, with some of these leaders of international finance institutions. So I want you to, you know, get involved and see how you can get us into a program. So he quickly agreed. And I agreed with him. He said he would go and talk to Jim Wolfensohn, who was his very good friend and former managing director of the World Bank. So he called Wolfensohn, he got an appointment and everything. So we facilitated it. He came to Accra and he flew to Geneva or somewhere where Wolfensohn was. Went and met him. And he went with Wolfensohn to US and went to the IMF office and met Lagarde, who was the head of IMF at the time. And she went and talked to him and said, look, my country wants to get into a program. Your people are taking too long. You know, these are the issues. Of course, we had briefed him what the issues were. And so Lagarde, you know, said, oh, okay, we'll deal with it. And so she called the mission chief for Ghana and all that and gave them instructions. And then we noticed that things started moving quicker. And then eventually we signed off on the IMF program.
Openso wabua Ghana pa, openso wabua my Ghana. Wabua Ghana memwoni bebre. Enti mu amoto ahemfo na amoto no na amoto ayampia amoto nsema ni kwasa amoto ba park no so munyai. Na nipa wuntimi nye peda. So we pusa kentema, wuntimi otumfo nye peda. Wuntimi nya santima nye peda, enti munyai. Na ukuro no kwa yesai, ukuro na buta na yesai. Ya woni santima me kontokwa. Woni santima pribi bi ho. Enye it's time say emre duro sese be mu dia ni die ma dia ni die se no otumfo nkasa ntia na no ma hene da oni watam da omo udi nka asam krampo da enso ni tem biara na do ma hene bo ndi ka asam ni tem biara suma hene bo ndi ka asam yera me hene bo ndi ka asam wo yera me utibe no otumfo jira me hene utubo no otumfo sa wo otumfo wo ya parliament wo je parliament ya ne ntina no asa wo de ka kwa na emisire wo tipa no obre otumfo abone ne awurade sikadwa nwo ya botre na no mo ya botre platform bese me nkasa ntia obia but asa kasa do be na pressure na baso ebuso enfancy enfa won sia wate wunya subscribe channel na me ka subscribe channel sia no like no comment no a share ama ho fro so nya bia den ahwe ai mo asante hunhiao ma wasante hunhiao wo ye santini ba wo ye Ghana ni wo ye santini ba wo fura santime mu kwa ma wasante ho nsem hia de ehiao ai me de ehia me pa ma eburo ho nsem hia wo ye buro ni ba ma buro ho nsem hiao wo ye anwonani ma wo anwonasem hunhiao wo ye mfantini ma mfantin nsem hunhiao wo ye ga man kan nsem hunhiao cause ye nyine ba ko prayo yi ba ko egu ukawo mayemu omien kawo mrenye ba ko ye ma Ghana enye ye ma Asante enye ye ma Bron enye ye ma Volta region ye ma Greater Accra medam wase mo so mfo kwa Alaska dimbusi adaseme ebeto so piao.
So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you to those who are about to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos that I give you.